How to disable two-step verification on Telegram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to disable two-step verification on Telegram. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Telegram app on your device. Sign in to your account. Tap the line icon at top left corner and access settings option. Now once you're on the settings section, select privacy and security under settings. Now on the security tab, two-step verification. Enter your password. Now tap the arrow. Here tap disable password and now tap disable to disable your password. And you can see that two-step verification has been successfully turned off. So that is how you can easily enable or disable two-step verification on Telegram. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.